Hi everyone, and welcome back to another instructional video from Forest River, Salem and Wildwood Divisions. I'm Sean Fitzsimmons, Warranty Administrator for Wildwood, and today we're going to be talking about stabilizer jacks. Now there's two kinds of stabilizer jacks. The first one being a manual scissor head jack that we use, but this one we're concentrating on today is going to be the electric stabilizer jack. You can operate this via the switch here or by remote if your unit came with one. On the outside switch, it has extend and retract buttons, and obviously we're going to demonstrate that now by hitting extend. Now this is stabilizing your unit once it hits the ground or blocks that you have placed on there, and you want to stop this when it hits one of those two that you have, and then stop. You don't want to overextend these. This will cause damage to your stabilizer jacks. Flip side operates just the same, being able to retract. And as this is going up, you're able to visually see not only to make a secure connection, but the sound to know when it stops. For general maintenance on stabilizer jacks, please remember these should be cleaned and lubricated regularly. If you have any questions on this or anything else, please visit our online interactive owner's manual.